Hello friends, myself Nimisha and I would like to take the privilege to introduce you to the leading Ayurvedic doctor from Europe, Dr. Anil K. Mehta. Today I am going to extract useful information on Ayurveda for the mental and physical issues which is bothering us. So modern lifestyle is giving a lot of problems that people are facing today. So gout is one of them. What do you have to say about it?
Gout actually is one sort of arthritis, but it starts with one joint only. So in this we see that lot of uric acid is being produced and get crystallized in big toe. And how it comes that a person is producing much more uric acid? Ayurveda believes in that body is not able to convert the taken protein into the body tissues. If you take much more protein that your body can digest, it will be left behind, and that left behind proteins are going to convert into the uric acid, and that uric acid is going to convert into the crystals, and that crystal is going to come into the big toe or other joints as well. In the beginning, it's always the big toe. So now what we should do about this, that's very important. Our lifestyle, what you mentioned already, it's like that we should avoid alcohol, heavy proteins, red meat, two types of protein combining together. Like milk is also protein, cheese is protein. Cheese and meat, two types of protein taking at one time. Our body is not able to digest that. So if you want to have protein, take one protein at a time. So otherwise, I will tell you, you should avoid proteins. Second approach to this is, you should increase your digestion fiber the way that everything whatsoever you eat, it is digested well. So avoiding protein and at the same time digestion power increasing, that type of help should be taken and gout can be cured.
So do you think that home remedies can help us to cure gout?
Not always home remedies can cure this. Of course, taking that trikatu, taking ginger, things like that will help, but you have to have more specific about that, because I told you about the crystals being made out of urine acid, and that has to be treated. Therefore, we have got very good herb, what everywhere you can get, that is giloy. So we should give Kishore Google. Kishore Google is having Google plus giloy, that is Kishore Google. You take that, and besides that, we have to increase our liver function. Liver function, therefore, Trikatu is being given. You should take a little bit diuretic, so that all that uric acid should be thrown away from our body through the urine ways. So this type of treatment we should give. And lifestyle, I told you, you should not sleep overday, you should not taking alcohol, proteins should be avoided, we should take very easily digestible food. So that's simple living and high thinking. So that's what I will mean.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we're looking for a tip of the day.
Tip of the day in gout arthritis is that I told you Kishore Google, that we give, and very good medicines therefore is Ortho Plus with the Boswellia. So this type of herbs can be given, and patient will get cured with lifestyle management only.